What's up YouTube? Jeff back again from DopeTechDaily.com, and today I'm bringing you guys a quick video to talk about an amazing new feature in the Phoenix Twitter app for Android. Now, one of the most requested features out there in the social media and in fact in the whole tech world is to be able to edit your tweets. Twitter has famously, or infamously I guess, decided to not let you edit your tweets for the entire existence of the social platform. Now, Phoenix, which is a popular Twitter client for Android, has actually started over, and it's now in its second iteration, and it's also in beta. So if you want to download the app, you can go onto the Play Store and do that. It's called Phoenix 2 Preview. You can go there, and it's actually pretty stable. So if you're worried about it being in beta and you don't want to use it, I've been using it as my main Twitter client now for about a week instead of Flamingo, and it's fine. You can send tweets, you can do DMs, you can do mostly everything that you're going to want to do on Twitter on a day-to-day basis. Now, the huge feature that was announced by the developer of Phoenix was the ability to actually edit your tweets after you send them using a little undo dialog that's at the very top. So I wanted to quickly give you guys a tour of the new Phoenix 2 Preview app and then show you how that works in case you're interested in learning how to edit your tweets. So the way to do that, obviously you want to send a tweet like this. You can say something like, "This tweet has a typo in it," and then you can send that, and then you'll notice at the very top you get a little dialog box that says this tweet has a typo in it. You've got 10 seconds, you can change that. I can go ahead and hit cancel, and then it's going to let me go back and edit it. And so then obviously maybe I don't want to send that tweet, maybe I actually want to say something else. I can go ahead and do that from this window, and then it'll go ahead and send. So let me go ahead and just hit one that I actually want to send. Going to pick up the Moto Z2 Play in about an hour. So that's a tweet I actually want to send. So I'm going to go ahead and hit send. And again, you can see the dialog box. I can check it, make sure it's got what I want. And then once this times out, it's going to post it. I can also send it right away if I want, but I'll let you guys see here. Once it times out, it'll post it. And if you scroll up, there's my tweet. This is very nice in my opinion, because what happens to me usually is I send a tweet that has a typo in it, and then once I actually see it on my timeline, or I see it outside of the editing box, I notice there's a typo, or I left a word out, something like that. I'm sure you've all been in that situation. Now, the way to change this within Phoenix settings is you go to the menu here on the side, go over to settings, and then go down right here, you'll see compose, and then this is where you can change the undo pop-up. So you can change it to be only for tweets and replies, or never if you don't want to ever have the undo pop-up. I don't know why you wouldn't. I think it's one of the greatest features to come to a third-party Twitter client. And then you can set your undo interval. So you can do 5 seconds. You guys saw the one that I did there was 10 seconds, and you can go all the way up to 20 seconds if you want to have the maximum amount of time to review your tweets. Now, that's a really amazing feature. So when Phoenix 2 does come out for the full version, the stable version, it will be a paid upgrade, but I definitely think it's worth it. I'm planning to switch over to Phoenix 2 full-time, I think, once it comes out, mainly because of this feature. But in addition to that, it's got a really nice interface. You can see you can go in here and change the appearance using all sorts of different themes. You can edit a lot of things like how the avatars appear, the font size, layout, everything like that. You guys can see that I'm running this AMOLED theme on my OnePlus 5 here, which looks very nice. Customize the way the conversation layouts look and everything like that. I'm sure there's going to be a lot of other great features coming to the Phoenix 2 Preview. Anyway, I wanted to show you guys that real quick. If you have any questions about how to use it, please drop me a comment below. Find me at DopeTechDaily.com, Google+, Instagram, and Twitter at the links in the description. Please like and subscribe if you enjoy my content so I can make future videos like this. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks a lot for watching.